Zainab, we no get food again.
Again, what we go do now?
I no know, my pikin, I no know.
You still dey suffer? I dey try. Soft life dey, you no wan collect? E no easy. Try harder, sis. Just one rich uncle, your life go change overnight. Okay. She fresh girl. Very clean.
Nothing is free, my dear.
Poverty is a choice, my dear. Amaka, you won't join us?
Every enjoyment gets price.
She came too late.
You said it was just fun!
These rich men are not clean.
Save me. I didn't know.
What you collect, you must pay back.
End of the road, Chief!
Not everything that shines is gold. My daughter, life is peaceful again.
Did you hear? That rich chief that was arrested. Something happened.
Tell us everything, Chief.
You cannot escape.
Mother, it's still following me.
When destiny is traded, spirits do not forget.
What do you mean he collapsed? This case is deeper than crime.
What must I do to be free? You must speak the truth to save others.
The soft life you see hides dark chains.
Some money destroys more lives than poverty ever could.